Hi, welcome. In this video, I'm gonna create this creature from scratch in ZBrush, Maya, and Substance Painter, but in time-lapse mode because the process is long, but it includes all the steps, and I'll explain each of them. So stick around until the end. If you're interested in learning the latest 3D techniques, particularly in Blender, be sure to subscribe to the channel. First, I'm gonna start with a sphere and create the basic structure of the creature. First, I start with a head and I design the structure using the basic 3D models. I don't have any specific references because I don't want to create a creature based on another concept. I just need some images of animal anatomies and only I need them. In this step, I just need to work on each part of the body separately and I will combine them later. The dynamic option or dynamic subdivision levels are active and set to 64. This value for this step is good and I will increase it step by step. I use clay build-up brush for almost all the steps except the detailing step. I also use a flatten for some spots. Now I need to combine the body, each part of the body step by step. I'll start with the neck and the head. Here I need to use clay build-up to combine the body parts together and fade some edges. And also the dynamic level need to be increased. I'm refining the model a little, but we are still in the blocking step. We have three steps: blocking, refining, and detailing steps. I'm still in blocking step. My creature has hooves and I need to work on some areas that related to the hooves. Now I need to work on the important sections of the head. Now I need to add the cylinder for the hooves and also work on it using the clay build-up. It's easy, it's not too complicated. And also I need a sphere for the tongue. And another sphere for the eyeball. Here I'm using Maya for retopologizing, and I need to say I've used the zero measure tool in the ZBrush to retopologize the model, but some areas need to be refined. For example, eye area, mouth, and horns. And I'm using Quadra tool in Maya to refine the topology based on the original mesh. Now I need to symmetrize the model because I worked on the right side of the model. Next I need to work on the UV unwrapping. Maya is one of the best tools to create UVs. Here we have the model, unwrapped model in the ZBrush, and I need to refine it. Now we are in the second step, refining. Here we need to add some details, not micro details. We need to add muscles and all the necessary refinement before adding details. Now let's work on the details. I will use some free and premium brushes and alphas provided by other artists, and also some custom brushes that I created. This creature is fantasy and there's no any reference for the skin for this kind of creature, so I need to use my imaginations and also get help from some skins related to some animals, for example reptiles and crocodile. Okay, the model is ready, and now I need to create the textures in Substance Painter. So I need to generate the ambient occlusion, curvature, and other textures based on the normal map and height map in the Substance Painter, and I will use a pre-made custom smart material that you can download it from blackcave.com/store, and the link is in the description. This smart material includes some shiny areas, dark areas, and also cavities, curvatures, and some necessary layers for the creature's skin. The neck area and the stomach need to be shiny, and for the top of the head, we need to add dark areas. We also need some purple areas. The skin surface is kind of wet, and I need a low value of the roughness. And for the final step, I need to add some micro details and dots on the skin. I will use another smart material for the hoof, and it's a simple smart material useful for example, horn, hoof, and other components. I will use the previous smart material for the tongue as well. For the eye, I will utilize the hand paint model, and I don't use textures. Alright, this is the final result. You can download all the smart materials from my asset store, and also all the related links in the description. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and feel free to share your questions and ideas in the comments.